Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case.
Right. Have I not joined the meeting yet? Says access. Wish I could help you. I don't know what it is. Oh, that's it. See, that was simple. Thank you. Let me go ahead and call roll and see who's here. Is Doug Felicita? Good morning. Thomas Hart? Douglas Johnson? Mark Lawyerson? Connor O'Neill? I see Nika Petrov is online. Good morning. Timmy Shower? Eloy Serrano? Jarrett Tommel? Cindy White? And Christopher Werman. All right, so that's the 8:45 counter. We have two people here. And Mr. Felicita? Yes. Have you gone through your rights form?
I was just doing that right now.
All right, so when you're ready, come on up and we'll go ahead and start with your case. Yes.
Okay, hand that up to the judge.
Oh.
Yeah, the form, yes. And then you can come on down and have a seat.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. There you go. All right, and you're Doug Felicita?
Yes, sir.
And what's your date of birth?
3/13/86.
Do you have the opportunity to review the Statement of Defense Rights and Arraignment?
Yeah.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
Are there any you'd like to go over at this time?
No.
All right, you're charged by the City of Orting that on or about 10/15/2016 in Orting, Washington, that you committed the crime of driving with license suspended in third degree. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings hereby waive. Probable cause has previously been established. You're also charged with failure to transfer title within 45 days. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings hereby waive. Probable cause has already been established. You've also been charged on or about 11/28/2016 in Orting, Washington with the crime of driving with license suspended in the third degree. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is under. Further formal readings here by way of probable cause has previously been established. All right, Ms. Felicity, how long do you think it's going to take to get your license back?
Well, I'm being garnished for some of my other infractions for it, and so hopefully not that long, because I've got to get it back before I lose my job.
Okay. So we can, if you're willing to waive your right to a speedy trial, you have a right to speedy trial within 90 days. If you're willing to waive that right, I could set this out for 90 days to give you an opportunity to try to get your license back, if you're wanting to do that. And if there are any things out of this court are holding it up, do you know if there are, Mr. Walls?
I believe that this case is one of them that was.
Okay. So we're going to take this out of warrant status. Any of the infractions are going to be taken out of FTA status. So this court is not the one you're going to have to deal with. We're taking everything and cleaning up things here for you.
Right.
So any other courts you're going to have to take care of to get those done. You need to get going.
I was wondering, is there anything?
I can give you, it looks like there's a ticket out of Puyallup, King County District Court, and then there's Grays Harbor.
Grays Harbor
is the one that's probably the most, that's got a warrant out. Let me double check.
So I believe
it's still showing there's a Puyallup ticket from 2016.
Oh, that's holding it.
That's holding it,
Okay.
yeah.
Signatures. And then you could just hand that over to Mr. Walsh.
This.
Yeah, hand that over to him so he can approve it.
you put it 11-2?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so we're going to set this matter for pretrial on, I'm going to release you on your own personal recognizance. Release, the next date is 11/2/2021 at 10 o'clock a.m. Make all court appearances, notify any address, no law violations, and do not drive without a license and insurance. And here we go. And advising my clerk to go ahead and pull everything we have out of FTA status so you are clear here. Okay. So it's just got to focus on the three courts, Puyallup, King County District, and Grays Harbor.
Okay.
See, what they'll do is, first of all, you want to get. The other thing is, you can probably get into a relicensing program or something where you make payments. They'll release the hold on your license, you pay the reissue. Probably at this point, you're going to have to take a test again.
I was under the assumption that King County was the only one that did relicensing.
You'd have to look into it. I can't answer that question. I don't know. But even if you can get on this, and if you can get into a relicensing
So
situation,
make sure we note
that
we are going to
pull. You stop making payments and go back to suspended status.
One of my problems is I've been garnished for a bunch of this too.
Let's do that.
I get it.
We're going to set up payment plans on that. And so have him go to Kevin's window.
No.
Which I think is wrong.
Garnishment is different than
walking up there
relicensing.
and have Kim
It feels like the same thing.
pull him and set up a payment
taken
plan
out
for
of your
him.
check, but
Right.
All right, thank you. I'll
garnishment is
take the
truly a
next
civil
one later.
judgment.
One hand me Nika Petrov while you're there.
Relicensing is you making voluntary.
Nika Petrov, can you hear me?
Right.
There is a distinction.
Right.
It feels the same. 'Cause it's the
Yeah.
same money out of your pocket.
Exactly.
Nika, you're muted. Can you hear me? If you unmute, I can hear you. You see you're off mute now. Go
Hello.
ahead. Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I'm going to go through your rights with you really quick, and then we're going to see what we need to do after that. So let me grab the rights form here.
Yeah, he's done. Thank you very much. Yep. He just needs his copy. Thank you.
Okay, you're charged with a criminal offense that carries a possible jail sentence. Should understand you have the following rights. You're presumed innocent of any charge unless that charge is proven beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to a speedy trial. If you're held in jail before trial, you must be brought to trial within 60 days of your commencement date. If you're released from jail, you must be brought to trial within 90 days of your commencement date. You have a constitutional right to a jury trial unless you specifically give up that right by signing a jury trial waiver. You have the right to see, hear, and question all witnesses who testify against you. You have the right to call witnesses on your own behalf. You also have the right to, you may have the court subpoena those witnesses to appear and testify at no prior expense to you. You have the right to testify on your own behalf. You also have the right to remain silent and not give any testimony or present any evidence in your defense. Your silence cannot be used against you. You have the right to be represented by an attorney of your own choosing at arraignment and at all proceedings. If after your screen is determined you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. Even though you do not have an attorney at arraignment, you do not waive your right to have an attorney in any later proceeding. We do have Mr. Rusnick here as standby counsel in case you do have questions today. If you feel you cannot have a fair trial because of the bias or prejudice of a particular judge, you have the right to ask for a different judge within 10 days of assignment to that judge. You're entitled to only one change of judge. You have the right of appeal from any judgment of guilty entered by this court. To begin the appeal, you must file a written notice of appeal in this court within 30 days of the judgment. If you plead guilty, you give up or waive all of your rights listed above except for the right to be represented by an attorney. If you're not a citizen of the United States, a plea of guilty to an offense punishable as a crime of state law may be grounds for deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States, or denial of naturalization pursuant to the laws of the United States. All right, Ms. Petros, did you understand the rights as I've read them today?
Yes.
Are there any you have questions on?
No.
All right. You're charged by the city of Orting that on or about 7/16/2021 in Orting, Washington, you committed the crime of driving a license suspended in the third degree. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings hereby waive and probable cause established based on the probable cause statement. You're also charged on the same date with operating a motor vehicle without ignition interlock device as required. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings hereby waive, probable cause established based on the probable cause statement. Finally, you're charged with third charge is driving with a suspended vehicle registration. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings hereby waive and probable cause established based on the probable cause statement. Ms. Petro, are you currently employed?
No.
And what is your source of income right now?
And Your Honor, she was just recently appointed public defender in our court a couple months ago. I don't object to direct appointing.
I am going to direct appoint Mr. Rusnick to these cases. And I'm also going to track the infractions too. And Mr. Rusnick, I'll leave it to you to.
Ms. Petrov, just if you want to tell me your phone number, that would help. Other than that, we'll put in paperwork for you and get the police reports.
707.
Please say that again.
707-850.
Okay.
8026.
8026. Thank you.
All right. And do you want to just set it to the 30-day calendar, Mr.
That would be good. You're right. Unless Mr. Wells wants to set it.
So we are going to set this for September 7th.
I think we have a big calendar.
That's at 10 o'clock a.m. Make all court appearances, notify of any address change, have no law violations, and do not drive without a license and insurance. And in addition, interlock device as required.
And Your Honor, I would note she has a warrant out of a DUI in Kitsap County that is the underlying problem.
I'm going to put on as a provision resolve DUI warrant in Kitsap. You understand those, Ms. Petrov?
Yes.
And has your address changed, or do we have your current address?
My mailing address is on file. Yeah. It's the same.
All right. All right, that is the order of the court. You're free to go. Thank you.
Thank you.
And that is the infraction calendar. What's your name, ma'am? Oh, I know. Sorry. And what's your name, sir? And what time what is your, you know what calendar he's on?
He's arraignment.
Arraignment? I don't have him on my calendar.
No, he's on 11, or he's on at 10 o'clock.
Okay. Stanford.
Stanifer.
Stanford.
And Your Honor, that case is on for warrant recall on a reckless driving charge.
Right. All right. Are you ready to take that matter?
We can address that. I think.
Come forward, Mr. Stanford.
Yeah, he was arraigned, but then I'm not sure if he's screened or not.
Well, what happened was I showed up at the Blue Jeans app online, and I was unable to unmute. You guys could see me, but I couldn't talk to you. And I didn't hear what the court date was, but whatnot. And I didn't have notice. And the court date came up. I didn't show up and put a warrant out for me.
Okay.
So I came in.
We're going to recall the warrant. All right. And
so my notes indicate that on May 18th he did not qualify.
are you currently employed, Mr. Stanford?
Let me give you a phone number.
No, sir, I'm employed.
Yeah, I'm out of cards right now. I can give you a phone number. So I'm just going to take a breather, but.
All right. So at this time, what I will tell you that reckless driving carries a maximum penalty of a year in jail and a $5,000 fine. So I do want you to consult with an attorney. If you do you make over $1,500 a month?
Yeah.
Okay. You probably do not qualify for a public defender. So I would like for you to talk to one. You're allowed, of course, to proceed on your own. I just think it's a hazardous proposition for you to do. So I'd like you at least to talk to an attorney, and I think Mr. Rustick can give you a number. You could talk to him as well, and we could probably resolve this. So what I'm going to do at this point is set this over for a pretrial in 30 days to give you a chance to talk to an attorney, and hopefully we can get this done at that point. The next date is going to be on September 7th. That'll be at 10 o'clock. Make all car appearances, notify them of the address change, have no law violations, and do not drive without license and insurance. You understand those conditions?
Sure.
And has your address changed?
No.
All right. All right. Thank you.
Here, I'll give you a business card. I'll go ahead.
Looks like we have Mr. Crane here for review on an SOC.
Actually, I can. So he's representing himself. Oh, you know what? I wrote my number on there. That's all right. So here, that's yours.
Can you tell me on Mr. Crane? I do have proof of community service. CRA.
Your Honor, I see he formerly had an attorney. It does appear the attorney is now withdrawn. I do see proof of treatment and community service. Looks like costs are all paid. At this point, say moves to dismiss.
Right. Mr. Crane, we find that you're in full compliance. Thank you for doing so. And the city has moved to dismiss the case. I have dismissed the case. You're free to go. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
All right, bye now.
And this is an odd calendar.
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
We have the very few arraignments showed up and nobody here on the 9:30. And
Your Honor, I can go through and address expired warrants.
okay.
So number 4 on the calendar, Douglas Johnson is an expired warrant. At this point, city moves to dismiss without prejudice.
That's on which calendar?
On the 8:45.
Oh, number 4.
Number 4.
Dismiss without prejudice on the plaintiff's motions. All right.
Number 5 on the calendar, Mr. Lawyerson, is on for arraignment for drive and spending. He does have his license back, according to my notes. Let me double check. That's correct. So he is relicensed. The city would move to amend to no license or no valid license second degree R3 4620-015, and
we'll reset it for the infraction calendar.
Infraction calendar. So.
All right. So on him, we are going to reset this for an infraction calendar or have amended the charge to 4620-015, which is an infraction now instead of a criminal case. So it's on the infraction calendar, and a note it for the next one. 2 weeks. All right.
The next one on the calendar is Connor O'Neill. That is an expired warrant. City is asking to reissue that one.
Reissue warrant. Okay.
Timothy Shower is an expired warrant. City is moving to dismiss without prejudice.
All right, that is dismissed without prejudice on the plaintiff's motion.
Next case is Eloy Serrano. That is also an expired warrant. City moves to dismiss without prejudice.
It's dismissed without prejudice on plaintiff's motion. Actually, there's two. No, sorry. Yes, I got that. Never mind.
Then skipping down to Cindy White. Is an expired warrant. City moves to dismiss without prejudice.
All right, so ordered.
And finally, Christopher Werman. That's an expired warrant. City moves to dismiss without prejudice.
Okay. Well, now a lot more people showed up on the calendar. And so the only one that didn't, that we probably expected was, well, that's also 2 years old, isn't it? Jarrett Tommel, the 2019 one. I think all the others were 2016s. And Hart Thomas, okay. Well, we are at recess.
I guess so, yeah.
Hello? I can't hear anything. Great.
From the chairman. Let's look. All right, please answer if your name is called. Megan Anderson, Harley Behrens, John Darren Bell. I see
Yes.
you online. Good morning.
Good morning.
Jasmine Hanson, Markle Hodge, Bailey Cassinger. And that looks like a attorney, Mr. Tony
Council
Gar-
President, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And then Kelly Meyer, Thomas O'Connor.
Yep, I'm present.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Luke Pollock, Vifer Reyes Cruz. Was that Mr. Pollock?
Yes, hello. Can you hear
Good
me?
morning. Yes, I can. Thank
Good morning.
you. Vifer Reyes Cruz. Good morning. Aurelio Silva Gonzalez.
Council President.
Okay, good morning. And Jonathan Thompson. And I think Mr. Harbison is here. Was that who he walked out in the hall with?
I'm not sure. He is here with both Mr. Bright and Mr. Hess.
All right. So can we take Mr. Gargile's cases?
Actually, I was working on that.
And is Mr. Sue here?
I think I saw there was a motion to continue on that.
Okay. Do we have a Spanish interpreter here? I think we do. We do have a Spanish interpreter. Is that Laura Gutierrez? Are you our interpreter, Laura? Can you hear me? Ms. Gutierrez, can you hear me? I'm not getting a response from her. Is there a way to type in her and ask her if she can hear us? Yeah. All right. And Mr. Harbison, you're here with Mr. Thompson? I don't see him yet.
I'm here with Mr. Hess with 10 o'clock.
Okay. Ms. Gutierrez, can you hear us yet? Guessing not.
Oh, come on.
Are we ready on any matters, Mr. Walls?
The defense is ready on Thomas O'Connor, if that's...
Oh, yes, we could take that one.
All right, that is a review. And what are we here for?
Good morning, Your Honor. Ryan Anderson on behalf of Thomas O'Connor. My understanding is Mr. O'Connor was to have a substance abuse alcohol evaluation completed. That's been done. I emailed it to Mr. Walls, and as I'm speaking right now, I'm realizing I didn't send the actual report into the court, and I apologize for that. But the city does have the evaluation.
Was there also the victims panel and ADIS?
I believe so. I don't think that Mr. O'Connor has had a chance to complete those yet due to his financial situation. He's living in an Oxford house, and he's got to get the funding together to do those things. So I guess we're going to ask for some additional time to be able to get that done. So could we get an additional 60 days, 45 to 60 days, so he could complete the ADIS and the victims impact panel?
Mr. Walls?
I certainly don't have an objection to that. My understanding is he is in treatment, has been in treatment. We just hadn't gotten the paperwork for the eval. I know the other issue is the victim had been requesting the recall the no contact order. I believe we'd set this over for proof that he's in treatment and had the eval. Is that correct? Or did we did we address that last time?
I think we addressed it last time. I think we recalled the no contact order at the last.
I'm still showing it active, and my recollection was that the court wanted, the city was not objecting to recalling no contact order. My recollection was the court wanted to see the eval and treatment. The city again, it appears he is in treatment. He does have the program that the court now has, and this victim does want to recall the no contact order. I don't have an objection to that at this time.
All right, we will recall the NCO.
To be completely clear, though, and transparent, Mr. O'Connor completed like 6 months, I think, of inpatient treatment. He hasn't yet engaged in intensive outpatient treatment. He hasn't begun doing that yet. Just want to be clear on that note.
Okay.
All right, I have recalled the NCO at this time. I've reset this for 10:05 at 9:30 a.m.
And so I would expect to see him get the victim panel and proof that he's reengaged in the outpatient.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Are you ready, Mr. Pollock and Mr. Rusnick?
Yeah, we can do that. Sure. Absolutely.
Mr. Pollock, can you hear us?
Yeah.
All right.
Hello.
Okay, what are we doing with Mr. Pollock?
I think he's got a pending new charge. I'd ask the court to set this over pending disposition. That's in district court.
Do you know when the next date is?
I can check. I don't at the moment.
Hey, what did you say?
Andy, there's an indication there's a new charge.
A new charge? What are you talking about?
It got filed on 6/24.
No, sir, hold on. Let your attorney speak for a moment.
It was. The wrong one. Sorry. Hang on.
You say I've been a good boy.
Oh, I'm sorry. Never mind. I misread it. It's an egg 2, not an egg 1. No, not a pending charge. It's you've been a moderately good boy, not a criminal boy.
Okay. All right. So what are the issues here today then? I do have on 6/21, I have recent SED assessment.
So we were waiting for the assessment, and then Mr. Pollock had some connection difficulties. I think it's just compliance with the treatment at this point.
All right. So are you in the treatment, Mr. Pollock?
I believe I already finished the treatment, the alcohol evaluation, right?
You have the evaluation. Let me see.
And I haven't even gotten any results from that, so you guys said that it was still pending last court date.
Says Luke makes DSM-5 criteria for alcohol use disorder, moderate and full sustained remission. Level care 0.05 alcohol and drug information school. So I think it's drug information school is what we're required.
Drug information school I have to do now?
Well, it says here he needs to meets criteria for ASAM level of care 0.05 alcohol and drug information school.
Okay.
And early intervention.
So what is it that I need to complete?
Mr. Rusnick?
I'm sorry?
He says, it says in here he qualifies for overall level of care recommended 0.5 early intervention.
I'd just ask the court to order him to comply with treatment, enroll, and follow up on that.
Yeah. Mr. Walls?
That is fine. I would note it does look like he has a warrant out of Bonnie Lake for today for, it looks like he owes them community service and did not show up for a court date.
Really? Are you kidding me right now? I just went to court. Oh my God.
So, Mr. Pollock, according to your assessment, you are supposed to be in a form of treatment called early intervention, and you need to do alcohol drug information schools. So you need to go back to your treatment provider and ask them what their requirements are and follow those requirements. I'm going to set this over for 60 days to do a check. We're going to set this for October 5th at 9:30. You need to deal with the warrant out of, is it Bonnie Lake you indicate?
That's what I say.
Goodness.
Has your address changed, sir?
No, but it's going to. Just a fair warning, but it's not yet.
Well, make sure you change it when it does, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you. You're free to go.
I have a few questions. Where is I can't even remember the place. Like I know I'm the one that did the alcohol evaluation, but to be fair, I've been more than busy. What was the place called? Like, what do I have to call?
It looks like it's a multi-care facility. And the phone I can give you is 253-697-8400. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Okay.
And we got Miss Gutierrez. Can you hear me yet?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. I
Good
apologize
morning.
for that.
Oh, no problem. We have these technical issues. I'm going to call Mr. Reyes Cruz up. Go ahead and come forward, Mr. Cruz.
Okay. Señor Reyes Cruz. Go ahead, Your Honor.
Right here, brother. Go ahead and introduce yourself to him and then let the court know that you are sworn in, etc.
Etcétera, yes. Buenos días, señor Reyes Cruz. Soy su intérprete. Good morning. My name is Laura Gutierrez. I'm a Washington State Certified Spanish Interpreter. I'm permanently sworn, oath on file with AOC. Yo soy intérprete certificada por el Estado de Washington con juramento en archivo con los tribunales. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Reyes Cruz, we are here for a mitigation hearing.
Señor Reyes Cruz, estamos aquí para una audiencia de mitigación. Yes.
So that means you have committed the infraction, and we are going to see if we have a remedy that we can work with right now.
Eso significa que usted ha cometido la infracción y ahora vamos a ver si existe algún remedio que podamos aplicar.
Mr. Reyes Cruz, what you do qualify for is what we call a deferred finding.
Señor Reyes Cruz, para lo que usted sí califica es lo que nosotros llamamos un fallo diferido.
What that means is if you have no tickets for 1 year, pay $175, I will dismiss your cases.
Lo que eso significa es que si usted no obtiene ningún parte en el próximo año, paga $175, yo desestimaré sus casos. Very well, thank you.
Is that what you wish to do?
¿Es eso lo que usted desea hacer, señor?
Sí, yo últimamente traigo aseguranza, pero con lo que pasó de coronavirus, pues no pude pagarla y por eso la cancelé.
Yes, I normally have insurance, but with what happened with the coronavirus, I let it pass and I couldn't pay for it.
Okay. So I will find a $175, no tickets for 12 months, and I will dismiss the case.
Muy bien, entonces le haré pagar una multa de $175 durante los próximos 12 meses. Usted no debe tener ningún parte y al final de los 12 meses desestimaré ese ticket.
And you do not have to pay all at once. You can make payments.
Y usted no tiene que pagar todo de una vez. Usted puede hacer pagos. Bueno.
¿Lo puedo pagar de una vez todo?
Can I pay it all at once?
You can.
Sí puede.
Thank you.
Thank you. Gracias.
¿Dónde lo puedo pagar?
Where can I pay for this?
You could pay at the front counter. I don't have an interpreter up there.
Usted. Okay. Sí, lo puede pagar en el mostrador, al frente. No habrá intérprete, pero puede, ¿verdad? Yes.
Right. And she'll go ahead and show you where the front counter is, and
ella le mostrará.
Why don't you tell Kim what we've done? All right. Thank you, Ms. Gutierrez. I appreciate your help today.
Thank you. Nice to see you again.
And I think that was the only one you had, right?
That is the only one I have.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
All right. Bye-bye.
And so the only one.
We have several we can address. I know did you want to do the 930s first?
Yes, if we could.
Okay. I know Darren Bell is here on the 930.
Right. And that is Jennifer Appetz.
Oh, okay.
Miss Appetz, are you online here? I do not see you.
I see her, but a lot of people.
Mr. Darren Bell, can you hear me? You're on mute right now.
Can you hear me now?
I can. Is your attorney coming today? Do you know?
Well, I don't know, sir. Remember, we set this up about a month ago, and you said she was going to be there. I'm in Alabama, in Mobile, so I thought you guys had it set up where she was going to show up.
Well, we've given her notice, so she just hasn't shown up yet. So I'm not sure where she is. And what are our issues here? What are we doing with this?
I'm wondering if she thought it was at 10, but.
All right, just hang on. She may not think it's till 10, so give her a few minutes to get on, and we'll come back and take it as soon as we can. So we'll do it in that. Who's next then?
If we could take Mackenzie Clay on the 10 o'clock.
Mackenzie, what's the last name?
Clay. That is Mr. Cutter's.
Good morning, Your Honor.
No. I think he's still there.
Good morning.
Jonathan Thompson. Mm-hmm. Yours?
Yeah, that's the review.
Review. It's like, oh, okay. Yeah, okay, so you don't have. Let's do the pretrial. That's what I see now. And Your Honor, I believe Mr. Cutter is asking for a continuance.
And got it. And my apologies. Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Joseph Cutter on behalf of Ms. Mackenzie Clay, who's present by way of Zoom, as well as myself. That is all true and correct, Your Honor. We did You were previously here at the arraignment. This is the first pretrial. We are requesting continuance for further negotiations as well as investigation. Ms. Clay has been very proactive. The evaluation has already been completed. However, we don't have a copy of it yet. But as soon as we do, we will provide that to the court as well as to the prosecutor. All that to say, Your Honor, we're just requesting possibly a 30-day continuance. And we have no objection to waiving a speedy trial to facilitate that continuance.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And that date is 9/7. Are you available that day, Mr. Cutter?
I am, Your Honor. Could we still appear by blue jeans?
At this juncture, the answer is possibly.
And the only reason I'm asking is, as Ms. Clay is, she is going off to college, Your Honor.
All right.
So,
we are, at least for the foreseeable future, doing this. So I'm not sure when we're going to end it, but right now we are, for the foreseeable future, saying yes.
fantastic. Thank you, Your Honor. That date's it's a good day.
There you go. So I'm going to set this for 10 o'clock.
Please, Your Honor.
And I will note that the defendant has waived speedy trial, and the new commencement date is on 10/5. All right, thank you. You're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Ms. Clay. Thank you, Mr. Wallace. Thank you, Mr. Harbison.
All right. Who's next?
We could take Danny Clowie.
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. What,
morning.
Is that 10 o'clock calendar?
That's on the 10 o'clock.
And good morning. I'm here for Mr. Cave, Alistair DeBrea. Thanks, Mr. Walls.
What number is it? Not finding it. 16. Okay.
And Your Honor, I believe we're close to resolving this case, but we need one more set over.
And to what date?
Your Honor, I did not hear dates. I'm thinking about a month out. I can make that work.
So the month out date is September 7th.
Okay, great. That would be at 10?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I can do that. Mr. Cave, is that okay with you? Yes, sir.
And will your client waive speedy trial to that date?
Yes, Your Honor. We have discussed that, and he is in agreement.
All right, thank you. All right, thank you very much. Free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
And Your Honor, if we could take Jeffrey Bright on the 10 o'clock.
I forgot to write the other ad. And Mr. Whom?
Mr. Bright, Your Honor.
He is on. Mr. Bright is on the line.
All right.
Your Honor, for the record, Michael Harbison on behalf of Mr. Bright, who is appearing by video. Your Honor, we are asking for another continuance of this matter for about 30 days. I believe the only issue with his license is he needs to get SR22 insurance. So he's very close to getting his license reinstated.
All right. Let me see here. right. The defendant waives speedy trial, and the new commencement date will be on 9/7.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. You're free to go on that one. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your Honor, this is Colton Hess on the 10 o'clock calendar.
All right.
And I think we're still working on some discovery issues, and I believe the parties are going to set this over as well.
That's correct,
All
Your
right.
Honor.
Since he's here, can you fill out one of the forms? I think it's the one closest to you with the waiver.
Yeah, I think it's the middle one.
It knows to be the next one to your left, I believe.
That one's.
Oh, is that it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course, my eyes aren't that good from here, Mike.
So when would the new commencement date be, Your Honor?
What's the date? Is that?
About 30 days, I think.
It would be September 7th.
And we're just waiting for a video, Your Honor.
Okay. Let me see who I have here. Can we get a call? If you could ask him to call Jennifer Appitz and tell her client, Mr. Darren Bell, is here. Yes. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Aaron.
All right, the hearing is set to 9/7/2021 at 10 o'clock a.m. and you can copy this and you're free to go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we could address Mr. Livingood.
Right. All right, Mr. Livingood, good morning. I think I saw him on here. Yes. Mr. Livingood, can you hear us? You're on mute right now.
Your Honor, can you hear me?
Yes.
Thank you. Kurt Stender here with Livingood.
All right, and I think I see Mr. Livingood here. I just don't know if he can hear us because he's on mute. I haven't heard from him. Mr. Livingood? All right, what are we doing on Mr. Livingood?
Your Honor, this is a defense motion to continue. We're still gathering some information, and